Kora from Dancesport, and today I'm going to be bringing you a makeup tutorial for the makeup that I'm wearing right now, which is really good for standard. As you can see, my hair and makeup is all ready for standard. We're here in Manhattan to compete at the Manhattan Dancesport Championships. So if you notice, the makeup style is a little bit softer than the last makeup tutorial that I did, because for standard dancing we generally like to have a little bit softer style of makeup. So you can see that the makeup colors are more blended, softer around the eyes, and definitely not as harsh as what you would see for Latin. You can also see that I don't have that dark tanning color that I normally wear for when I'm dancing Latin or dancing 10 bands. If you guys like this video, please remember to subscribe and also hit that little bell button right down there. And the bell button is going to give you all the notifications for when we release new videos. Also, I will be posting in the description of this video a link to our blog where I'm going to have a list of all of the makeup supplies that I've used today, which you'll also be seeing throughout the entire tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Once again, a makeup tutorial specifically for standard dancing. Anything that's good for standard can also be used for smooth. So without any further delay, let's get started. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you're wondering how we did in the competition this weekend, unfortunately, we had to scratch out. Simeon's been dealing with a calf Achilles injury for the last 3 months. And in the last 3 weeks, it's gotten really bad. We're never sure exactly when it's going to hit him the hardest, but it did hit him pretty hard during the competition. So we started the waltz, we danced the waltz, we danced the tango, and then as we were bowing for the tango, he looked at me and told me that there was no way that he was going to be able to continue. So we had to scratch, which is disappointing. But on the plus side, we got this makeup tutorial. So that's good for you guys. And I'm really, really excited to be able to share this with you. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did like it, please remember to subscribe, hit that bell notification down there, leave a comment in the comment box if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to answer them all. And also, for a description of all of the products that I used, you can definitely find them on our blog, and the precise website address of that description on our blog is going to be in the description below. So other than that, I hope you guys really liked it, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for joining me. Bye.